Hey everyone, it's All About Vehicles here, and today I will be talking to you about the breakdown of what it cost for my dad for his winter tires on rims. So stay tuned, and here we go. Now, you're probably wondering, where did he buy the winter tires? It was Road Sport Chrysler, located at 2851 Eglinton Avenue East here in Scarborough, Ontario. Great dealership, that's where he bought his truck. Of course, that's where he got his winter tires. So, first, there was warranty work that had to have been fixed. The left rear fender was falling off. Fender flare was peeling off, so they had to take that out, put it back on. That cost nothing, so that's nothing. Here's the Monroney. On my dad's 2018 Ram 1500, they know it was a demo. Looking at this, that dealership delivery date was May 25th of this year. It was sold on June 19th of this year. It's almost a month later. It was promised that it would be done by 6 o'clock on November 14th, sorry. At a rate of $129.95 an hour. It's going to be paid cash. It was opened at 8:35. It started work at 8:35 in the morning of the 14th. And it finished at 4:52 p.m. Same day. During that time, they installed and balanced 4 Blizzak, Bridgestone Blizzak tires on rims with TPMS sensors. The tires are 265, 70 R16s, or 17, sorry, with a rating of R115. There was promo, buy 3 tires and get 1 free, so you get 3 for 4, really. And then you got all the tires mounted and everything programmed and thing. Parts were $1,401.44. Labor was $150. Fees were $17.90. Total out the door without tax was $1,569.34. With tax and everything included, sales tax is 13% here in Ontario, which is considered harmonized sales tax, HST, at 13%, was $204.01, bringing the grand total to $1,773.35. And those tires are pretty damn good, I would say. I'll be doing a follow-up live stream soon, probably on it sometime. I don't know. It is December 1st, so definitely there's a live stream tonight. It's Saturday, so there's a live stream at 6:30. Stay tuned for that. And definitely I will showcase that. Be an outside live stream for once. So, can't wait for that. So, not cheap at $1,773.35. My dad was quoted for 4 tires at $1,100, and he got rims and everything included at $1,400 with one. So plus it's installed, so it's out of his way. So that's definitely cool, and yeah. So cool. I'll talk to you guys then. Have a good night, and see you guys later at 6:30. Adios. Bye.